Hello everyone, welcome back again in my channel. If you're facing some issues having too many devices, not enough HDMI ports, so don't worry, one tiny switch can fix that. So today we are unboxing and reviewing this bi-directional HDMI switch, a gadget that's small but super smart and very useful. So this is the box, simple, very neat and compact. In the box, you usually find this switch here. This 2-in-1 or 1-in-2 bi-direction HDMI switch, and on the back you can see some features and specification. It has 2 LED indicators, 3 HDMI interface, easy installation, supports 3D or 1080 pixels, or yeah, it is built of plastic. So let's check it out. So here you can see by this diagram you can able to understand what is the use of this. So here we got our one bi-direction HDMI switch. It's simple and very useful product. No remote, no mess, just plug, press and play. This switch is made up of solid plastic with clean black matte finish. On the front you can see there is a button here, and on the back we got the 2 HDMI ports, input and output, and one on the front one, and here's a type C port also. It has the 2 indicator lights to show which port is active. It's like a traffic signal for your screen. Push the button and the direction changes. Now let's understand what bi-direction means. You can use this device in 2 modes. Mode 1 is 2 devices, 1 screen. Means here we can plug in 2 HDMI sources like a laptop and gaming console and switch between them on one monitor or TV. Mode 2 is 1 device to 2 displays. Means here we can plug in one HDMI device like a Fire Stick or PS5 and switch the signal to 2 different TVs or monitors. So not at the same time, it sends to one at a time. Okay, so remember this. So like one switch 2 ways, it listens to you guys. So how to use is simple, easy. Connect your TV or monitor to the center port here and connect 2 input devices here, for example laptop and a gaming console, to the other 2 devices HDMI ports. Then press this button to switch between devices. Then this LED light will blink to show which input is currently active. Now, and you can also change to a laptop screen to your monitor screen also. This is our one HDMI connected here, and you can see it has a 2 screen HDMI connected, and just click this and it will switches to the other screen. This is how it will work. Few things to remember is use a high quality HDMI cables for best results, but you can't view both display at once in mode 2. Okay, it does not duplicate screens, it switches between them. Okay guys, so my final verdict is, if you're tired of unplugging HDMI cables every time so you switch devices, so this little gadget is must have. Whether you are a gamer, work from home warrior or binge watcher, so this bi-direction HDMI switch brings ease and flexibility to your setup. So if you found this video helpful, drop a like and tell us what devices you had connect with this switch. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more smart gadgets, honest reviews and tech hacks.